Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine, Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training. How to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online leads chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.